Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more ways that you can style your short hair. So here we have the styling of this bob haircut. She has a really pretty brown, reddish brown hair color. Very chic and stylish. I love the bangs. And then we have this gorgeous platinum pixie cut. She does have an undercut style with this. Very cute. I just love that hair color. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a lob haircut and she's adding in some beautiful curls to the hair. And then we have this French bob hairstyle. Followed by the styling of another lob, so she's also adding in some curls. Love the way she styled her hair. She was really able to achieve a lot of volume. So then we see someone with a curly pixie cut and she is doing finger waves with her hair. This is a great option if you have natural curly hair and you're looking for a way to kind of sleek it down and create a new shape. And then she's also going to be adding in some color to do that skunk stripe trend. Absolutely gorgeous. Finger waves are a great style to try out if you want more of a glam retro look to your hair. Perfect for a night on the town. And that pop of blonde just looks amazing. Next up, we see how to style a pixie haircut. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.